Hey my glamkins, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video we'll be talking about Blue Heaven Sapphire Liquid Lipstick. I've already reviewed two lipstick ranges from Blue Heaven before. If you haven't checked it out, you can click I up here and see it if you want to. But today we'll be talking about Sapphire Liquid Lipstick from their range. They have got 12 shades. I've got 6 shades with me to give you guys the swatches and my thoughts on this product. So before I show you guys the swatches, let me tell you that my makeup will be different because I shot the swatch video 2.5 months back and I forgot about it. So that's why I'm here today with different makeup on. So I'm just clearing it up before you get confused. They have got 12 shades in their range. At least that is what I can see on Nykaa. I bought myself from Nykaa itself. They are priced at 125 each. They contain 6 ml of the product. It comes in this plastic tube and here you can see the shade, actual shade from outside itself. Whatever shade of lipstick you are getting, you can see the shade onto the packaging itself, which I actually love. Shade names are mentioned at the bottom and it has got sponge tip applicator. The formula is not too thin, it's not too thick, which I love. Liquid lipstick which I have reviewed before from their non-transfer liquid lipstick, they are very thin. These are a little bit heavier than that. They are exactly in between, neither too thick, neither too thin. I am wearing the shade 111 Hot Latte on my lips and I have lined my lips Color Bar Chocolate Brown Lip Liner, which is my all-time favorite lip liner, and the combo is what it looks like. Really love this combination, you guys. I'll be definitely using this shade with this lip liner for sure and you will be seeing it a lot. By itself it's very light. If you are very fair, then this will be perfect nude for you. I'm NC42 and I do need a good lip liner with this shade. Also, Blue Heaven is an Indian makeup brand and all their products are made in India, so that makes a bonus. Okay, so before I show you guys the swatches, you will see the shade 112 Glamour Fuchsia. Will show blue hue here on my lips in between, which will look very odd. Even I was very surprised. My husband laughed at me very badly on that day when I shot this swatch video. I think it happened because I used so much of makeup remover on my lips back to back as I was trying other shades, and this was the last shade to put on. So maybe it's because of that, or maybe a lot of shades got built up. Also, I got a lot of crack over here. Let's be honest, to give you guys the swatches of liquid lipstick is the hardest thing. Your lips have to suffer so much because you are applying liquid lipstick, which is very hard to remove, and also it removes all of your makeup around your mouth, so you have to apply that as well while showing you each shade. Yeah, it's kind of a hustle, but I wanted to mention it before you get confused. Before I talk about my thoughts and pros and cons about this lipstick, first let me show you guys the swatches. So those are all the swatches. I hope you found it helpful. Let me tell you my thoughts on this lipstick. First of all, I love the shade Hot Latte in the swatches. I know it looked washed out completely. I also love the shade Juicy Jam. I really love it. It's beautiful summery pop shade. Also love the shade Hot Red. These three are my favorite shades, which I'll be using it a lot. I actually love the shade Glamour Fuchsia, but it kind of did a mess up. I've already used that shade before, but it didn't happen at that time. So I'm telling you, maybe because I tried so many shades, just because of that it happened. That's all about this lipstick and swatches. Okay, so now let's conclude this video with pros and cons of this product. According to me, the pros will be, first of all, it's very easily available online, offline. I bought myself from Nykaa. It's currently out of stock. They'll stock it up soon for sure. You can get it from Amazon, Flipkart and more other sites. You can also get it from stores. It contains very decent quantity. 6 ml is not too less. It's priced very affordable, 125. During sale you can get it for 90-100 rupees. I love that how they have launched their shades, which complements to all the Indian skin tones. I love the packaging. You can see the shade, the packaging itself. Love this ombre print on the lipstick. I love the applicator of this lipstick. It's very precise. You can actually line your lips very precisely with this. The best thing about this lipstick is that it's made in India. Blue Heaven is an Indian brand. Atmanirbhar, please buy this brand for sure and support India. The color payoff is very good. You don't need to build it up. One coat is more than enough. I think for most of the shades, if you're familiar with liquid lipstick, you know they're a little drying, but with good lip balm and scrubbing your lips every day, you are good to go. They last for 5 to 6 hours without any touch up. I've worn it, I'm wearing it from 5 hours and I have not touched it up yet. If you eat oily food, it will start to come off from the middle of your lips, which I think most of the liquid lipstick come off if you compare it with oily food. Cons will be, I wish they have got more shades in the range, and also I don't like the smell of this lipstick. They smell like nail polish kind of. Otherwise, I really like this range. For the price and the quantity, I think it's a good value for money. They are very comfortable, although a little powdery, but I think most of the liquid lipstick in this price range are. If you have used this range, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will be reading and replying you back. Please let me know what other videos you would like to see next up on my channel. That's it for this video, you guys. I really hope you found this helpful, and I'll be seeing you very soon